Hi guys, welcome to our hands-on video of the OPPO X 2021 rollable phone, not in the Mobile World Congress but here in Singapore. Not gonna lie, the OPPO X 2021 definitely has one of the most innovative smartphone design which could well serve as a blueprint for future smartphones. Here, we are talking about pure design innovations and not the megapixels or refresh rate war that smartphone companies are regularly engaging in. The OPPO X 2021 isn't like any of the outward-folding smartphones like the first two generations Huawei Mate X series or the inward-folding Samsung Galaxy Fold. It doesn't fold but it rolls. The front design of the OPPO X 2021 do look a bit like the Find X2 Pro, especially with the curved and tall design measuring 6.7 inches across the diagonal. For this prototype, there isn't any selfie camera. However, for the actual production unit, there will definitely be one, but whether it will be a hole punch cutout or an under display camera, we'll have to see. The rear side of the device is more unique with a dual-tone paint job and a really slim camera module. Not really sure whether it has a glass back, but the phone do feels really premium on hand. So to roll out the screen, you simply need to swipe up the upper right edge of the phone and there will be sensors to pick them up and activate the roll motors. This will extend the screen from 6.7 inches to 7.4 inches. Of course, it might be even better if we are able to control the amount of screen extended by how much we swipe, so we are able to define the screen size we are more comfortable working with. Likewise, to retract the screen, we'll be swiping in the opposite direction from top to bottom instead. As you can see, the screen extends really smoothly along a central axis with 6.8mm diameters that allows the display to bend without leaving any creases, which is an issue other foldable phones are struggling with. According to OPPO, the average lifespan of the phone sits between 3 to 4 years, which equates to an average of around 100 expansions per day. Interestingly, when the phone extends, it also exposes additional speaker grills at the base, which makes perfect sense since people usually indulge in entertainment contents with extended screen. I'm not exactly sure of the kind of audio technology used in the OPPO X 2021, but it does sound amazing and loud. Of course, I've also tested out the software of the phone, but do be reminded that this will not be the final software release you will see on the final product. Starting with the interface, you can see that the home screen actually expands seamlessly with the extension of the screen. Not just the UI itself, but most of the native apps also have the same characteristics, so you can expect really smooth transition animations that's visually appealing. Even when you choose to extend the screen halfway through a video, the video automatically fits to the screen as it unrolls. And yes, it works well with the camera app as well. So even for third-party apps like TikTok, there's also a really nice transition, so you won't expect to see any abrupt transition on the phone at all. Well, most of us can agree that hardware is important, but a well-optimized software holds an equal weight to the overall user experience, and OPPO had obviously done a great job here. Of course, how can we not use this exquisite phone to view our own website? So after scrolling through our own website, I can say that the screen scrolls really smoothly just as it is in the rolled up state. Also, there isn't any notable change in color saturation or reproductions after it unrolled. To my surprise, The OPPO X 2021 is really great to hold even with one hand thanks to its amicable height and a pretty light body, but it might be slightly heavier with the proper camera system up in the actual unit. Aside from that, I would say that the phone has a reasonable thickness for a foldable or rollable, so everything seems great in terms of handling. So that's all we have for now, and please be reminded that this is not a full review, but rather a quick review based on my 1 hour hands-on experience with the phone. Likewise, this is just a prototype phone, and the actual phone will definitely be greater than the already impressive device we see here. Goodbye for now, but if you enjoyed our contents, do hit the like, share and subscribe button below.